In this video, I'll show you how to add an email option to your Instagram profile. Let's get started. To use this feature, you need to have a professional account. If you don't have one, here's how to switch. Go to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right. Now go to Account Type and Tools. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Follow the steps, choose a category, and complete the setup. Once done, go back to your profile. Now tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and select Contact Options. Here, you can add your email address, phone number, or WhatsApp business number. Enter your email address. Then enable the option to display contact info. Tap on the tick to save. And that's it. Your email button will now appear on your profile. Anyone can tap it and see your email. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.